I teach a variety of chemistry classes here, from the introductory chemistry class to the higher level biochemistry class. What we teach at a community college is the basic knowledge to go on to a four-year school or go on to a particular program such as nursing or dental hygiene, and be able to apply what they have learned in that class to that particular disciplines.
I like how very small things like atoms and molecules can work together to do very big things, and I find it very applicable. We are always learning in the lectures how everyday life comes around chemistry, and so it's really interesting to learn about the chemistry behind everyday tasks and things that I just didn't think about were involved in chemistry, but really did.
I have an interest in fire science, and SMAT is part of that science, so I had to take a safety course in chemistry / a safety course in hazmat. I looked for the major first, and then I looked for the classes second, and I already know the area, and I already know how they were doing the academy for fire departments around here, so I went with Rock Valley instead of paying out-of-state tuition.
So what the students can expect is that they need to come in with a minimum of knowledge, and they need to have decent math skills, but they should leave, hopefully, with an understanding of how the principles of chemistry can be applied to the particular discipline. This is the part that I feel industry has prepared me best for, is knowing what the heck it is we do with chemistry. I get that question a lot.
I'm actually going into nursing, so in order to get into a college nursing program at a four-year transfer, chemistry was one of my prereqs. I find it very interesting to learn things not only in class, but also hands-on in the lab. I feel like it just deepens my understanding of what we're going through in class. I think future students would learn a lot of hands-on activities, and I think they also learn a lot compared to their high school chemistry class. So although it is an intro chem class, there is a lot covered at a deeper level and a faster pace. I would recommend this class to other students.
So it's a little bit different than going into a four-year college directly, although we also have the academic track classes as well that allow you to transfer to a four-year school and go into the sciences. But the great majority of classes that I've taught and continue to teach here at Rock Valley are geared more as a survey course toward applying that to a particular program, like I say, such as nursing or dental hygiene or some area of health science.